Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A12 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and followed by back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or card pry tool. Insert the card pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, take out the logic board cover by undoing 6 screws. And then disconnect the battery plug and followed by the fingerprint connector. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, disconnect the main flex from the logic board and then remove the not working battery from the body. First, apply the heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a card pry tool or similar tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool or similar to lift the battery. Next, place the new battery in the body, and if needed, add adhesive to the battery. Next, secure the main flex to the logic board. Next, connect the battery and fingerprint plugs into the board. And then secure the logic board cover by adding 6 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Galaxy A12. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.